Hope that you guys had a wonderful weekend so far. It's Sunday, actually. Can you believe it? I'm doing a video, and I'll probably, yeah, this video will probably go up tonight as well, or sometime today, maybe tomorrow. But I am doing well. I had a wonderful weekend. Went to church today, and had a wonderful, enjoyed service, and I'm home relaxing now. My belly is full. What did you guys cook today, if you cooked? Let me make sure you can see this real good. Let me pull it up close. Okay. I was going to use my Maybelline, but this is what my hand hit first, so this is what I'll be using. I'm going to spray this also with the Make It Last. It's almost gone. After this, I may try another setting spray. Now, this one is awesome, but sometimes I like to try different products. And so, I'm just going to miss that a little bit. So, what did you guys have for... You know, why am I saying you guys? I didn't mean to say that. I apologize. You hear that all the time in the videos, and I guess it comes natural for some people. But what did you all have for dinner today, if you cooked? I made some macaroni and cheese, cabbage, salmon, baked salmon. And we also had some corn, not corn on the cob, just the actual, you know, regular corn. And that was it. And that was enough. And now that my belly is full, I just don't know what to do. So I was going to come out here and just enjoy the nature sounds. If you